Hello guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. I Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic, actually we'll be having Fatima Dauda on our channel. Guys, Fatima Dauda, say hi.
Hi!
Yo guys, you all remember this was reviewed makeup artist that almost turned Fatima Dauda into a ghost. Yeah, into a ghost. Actually, it wasn't funny. You know, Fatima Dauda said to me and Miss Muhammad that please take me to a makeup artist to make me look like an Indian girl. And to look like an Indian girl. How far, Fatima Dauda? Did she turn you into an Indian girl?
Yes.
Yeah. She said yes. But you all know that is a no for the answer. So, actually, this is the second attempt, and even when Fatima Dauda came to my house this morning, she said, "Auntie, are you going for makeup?" I said yes. She said, "Okay, I want to go with you." I said, "Akra, akra." I thought it's a lesson learned from the last video, but she said she's going with us. All right, fine. So the second thing she said was, "Auntie, please make this kind of hair tie for me." Akra. I still did it, but you all know that whenever I'm going out, you all see me with this kind of hair tie. What next?
You're going for a worst.
Yeah, what next? Worst reviewed makeup artist in my city, yo guys. So I said, "Oh, Fatima Dauda, you have it on. There's the hair tie, the gully, but you know what?
No.
You know what?
No.
You know what?
No.
We are going to worst reviewed makeup artist in my city. Say yeah.
Yay!
So we'll be going to the worst reviewed makeup artist in my city, and Fatima Dauda here says she wants to make you guys happy. She wants to be the one to feature it, right?
Yes.
So you all should please give thumbs up to Fatima Dauda. What will they give you?
Thumbs up.
They should give you what?
Thumbs up.
They should give you what?
Thumbs up.
And you what? You love?
I love my skin.
I was expecting her to say she love you all, but she said I love my skin. Okay, another. You love what?
My skin.
Oh boy. At least you love them. Let them have some love from you. I love you all.
I love you all.
Chris, so you guys all should please stay tuned for the worst reviewed makeup artist from Fatima Dauda, and she need a thumbs up from you all guys. Yeah, I don't actually, the thumbs up is not for me, neither for Miss Muhammad, but for Fatima Dauda. Yeah, just to keep you guys entertained and happy. You all should please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.
Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment.
And don't forget to give your baby girls some love.
Ga ga ga.
God, Mary J. Black and Miss Muhammad.
Inside the baby.
So guys, you are on our way to Cooperative to go get a pink material for Fatima Dauda. Actually, she really loves to be featured on the worst reviewed makeup artist in my city, yo guys. But I said no, girl, I really need you to be featured in a transformation from the best reviewed makeup artist in my city, yo guys. So we are on our way to Cooperative to go get a pink material for Fatima Dauda because it will definitely go with her color tone. So you all should please stay tuned. I love you guys. So guys, we are here at Cooperative to get Fatima Dauda's outfit. You guys should please stay tuned for the transformation. Yo guys, can you see Fatima's that outfit? Actually, I love this outfit. It looks so gorgeous, right? Fatima, do you love this clothes?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
What can you say about this outfit?
I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay. So you all should please stay tuned for this transformation. I love you guys.